Action.
Okay. I wanted to watch football.
But you know, look at you. Let's check it out gently. Don't go this way gently.
Go and check who's on the door.
This is my sweet cream now. I deposit.
Don't hurt my daughter. Don't hurt my daughter. Please, don't hurt her. There's the money.
Hey.
Just take it easy. Just take it easy. There's the money. Okay. Stand up. Get up. Hurry up, old man. Move it. Move. It's okay. Move it. Go down. Go down like this. I'm down, sir. I'm down. Don't look me in the face. Were you not told you were coming to the house of a soldier? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
I have tried, but I can't. Ebube has tried all he could as well. Sissy can't walk. I have to end it now. Ebube, I love you. I love you so much. If I can't be your wife, I can die to be your guardian angel. I love you, Ebube. I love you, Ebube. I love you.
Ugom, wait, please. Obim, wait, Ugom. Ugom, ma. Obim, Ugom. Why am I having this awful dream in this hot afternoon? I hope all is well with my love. This dream scares the hell out of me. I think I have to go and see Grandma. Uncle, I am finished. I will never be a happy man again. My joy and happiness has been taken away. I wish I could go with her.
Don't talk like that. If you go with her, what will you gain? You'll be a disappointment to love. But if you stay alive and avenge her death, then you'll be a hero of love.
Uncle, how can I do that?
Presently, I don't know. But what I know is that to understand and fulfill your mission on earth, you need to understand yourself. So for now, pull yourself together.
Thank you so much, Uncle. I'm so sorry I've been too emotional about the death of my love. And I forgot to say anything about the robbery incident in your house.
I understand. I'm a soldier. No civilian can take my life.
I wonder what I would have done if they had killed the only uncle I have.
Nobody can. I only bother about you. And you need to be in a very good frame of mind.
Honestly, Uncle, I am now a sadist. I can never be happy again. Idoma is the center and source of my happiness.
Wouldn't you consider joining the army? You have a good heart. You have a very strong heart. You'll make a very good soldier. All it requires is go to the academy in Zaria. Before you know it, you're done.
You are my role model and I have love for the military because of you. But I wish to study law as the only surviving child of my parents after the death of my siblings in the accident, so that the manager can take care of my father's business.
Law is not a bad idea. To help you understand how things work. That's okay.
Thank you so much, Uncle, for always standing by me. I wonder what I would have done without you.
I'm sorry, my love. If I can't be your wife, let me be your guardian angel. I love you so much, and I'll always be with you.
Why? You've made me a sadist for the rest of my life. Please let me join you.
You will, but not now. You have a great task ahead.
No, I want to join you. No. Ugam! Ugam! Ugam!
Attention everyone! Attention oh! Attention everyone! Attention, people of Egbelu. There is a meeting tomorrow at the village square by 8 a.m. Everyone present is vital. Both the old and the young ones are needed here because of the case of the robbery attack in this village. Please tell everyone that is not around should come to the village square by 8 a.m. tomorrow. I have spoken, no.
Onye kanga koro. Onye ga-aghọta ịfụnanya m oyibo obi m. Ugomma m mụ na gị ga-ebi. Onye kanga koro. Onye ga-aghọta ịfụnanya m oyibo obi m. Ugomma m mụ na gị ga-ebi. Egbelu now wants peace and unity. After the death of Ugom, Egbelu will never know peace. The blood of Ugoma will tear this kingdom apart. There will never, ever be peace in this kingdom. Never. Mamu monagi gebio.
Uncle, these people are cheating on us. These people are really cheating us. They are very cunning and tricky. They want peace and unity in Egbelu. That's understandable. They formed a vigilante or neighborhood watch, and Emadandi is the head. They also formed a United Egbelu Women Association. Mrs. Beatrice is the chairlady. They finally formed United Egbelu Men Association, and Mr. Amadugu is also the chairperson. All these three people are from the six-legged Arab descendants. No one from our side. Does it mean our people are just good for vice or second fiddle?
There's sense in what you're saying. To be honest, I never thought of it like that. But we must not be fast to conclude. We must approach with caution because we don't know what the hair inside the nose will turn into. But I like your observation. It shows you are smart and very observant. Keep on following up.
Number one. Imadandi.
Bossu.
Your head in your neck. Who say make your beans no done, your rice no go ever done, you know understand?
The grace.
We mount you 247. Baba, Odogu no be guy name.
Now the point be that. Makachi. You hear me? Now the point be that. My own Odogu na follow come. You understand? All of a sudden everywhere now people don't answer Odogu, this one, Odogu. People don't deserve her. Very soon all of people that answer Odogu don't deserve her. Now slap. They go to collect. Better slap.
Fight for life.
Una know my life. As they talk about sincerity. As they talk true. Now true, why I talk? My sincerity, that make them pursue me come out for soldier work. I see something, good. I talk am. You understand? They sack me. I can't go meet my guy. I say, okay, why? The man talk come here, he talk go there, then they don't make any point. But I find out the truth. Now know the truth. My guy they jealous me say that they call me Odogu. Now they call him Odogu. He start to be jealous. But God works in special ways. When I come up for army, when I come village, you welcome me. CSO.
One time now, sure. They know your weight now.
The whole village know my weight and they know my sincerity.
Yes, now.
That's okay, come become our CSO, I become CSO.
Who they take her?
Now make me hold the village strong like this.
Oh.
I hold the village strong and nothing go happen.
Yes, now.
That's not the one way close, another way go open. Now I be God. Now I be God.
See, Baba, Ororo dey your head, I swear. We want you 247.
No even go there. No talk that one at all. I don't hear and tire. Ororo dey your head. Ororo dey your head. How Ororo no go dey my head? You don't forget say before my mother and Ororo she dey sell.
No be lying.
And when I dey small, I dey walk Ororo for head like this. They walk Ororo. Ororo never supposed to fool my body.
You were born inside Ororo.
You understand? If one people face I say my name supposed to be Ororo. Ororo dey my head. I mean they got people Ororo now.
I tell you.
Ororo no fool my head. I mean they sell Ororo give people now. You understand?
They won't take her.
Well, wait. Under my command, the way this village go safe, even governor go come and give me award.
I will tell you.
Mona wait. Mona wait too.
Man, rich.
Man.
Don't worry. We're going to we all of them 500.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Copy and paste.
We'll carry that sit down, poto. Let them wait.
What else they do?
That you went for a military training and was not even accepted does not confer on you the rights to wear a military uniform. That you're the head of the vigilante or neighborhood watch does not give you the rights to wear a soldier's uniform. A uniform I retired in after 35 years. But for one thing, I would have handled this matter in a more grievous way. Now go home, take this off immediately. This is a soldier's uniform. And it's an insult on the military for you to wear it. You're a bloody civilian. Go home and remove it. Immediately.
Yes, sir.
Commander. Commander, what is wrong now? Number one, what's in the soap now? Eh? What be that man? What? Because they call her cornel? Now you go give her morale, give her guts to talk to people anyhow. You look you finish number one, the time you put uniform. What's your warrior now?
I don't get that.
Huh? Number one, your first are the look, oh. What did they give her confidence to talk to people anyhow now?
Baba Yo-Yo, now they talk like this. What else could give him confidence? Tell me what else? If not for the fact that he's a retired colonel in the military.
Now you go lock up.
Retired colonel, OBDK. If not, which confidence you won't get? Can he fight me man on man or man to man?
For where?
I don't go remove all in it. Wait, oh.
What is up?
My mind is telling me something.
Number one.
My mind is telling me something.
nutrient. The enter body. My nails don't pay finish nearly for pay.
Small thing. So,
me go comot military man. Oh boy, goes.
Now listen up. I have come to realize that there are thieves or a thief among you. Somebody or some people has the guts to come to my office and stole my money from this bag. Oh, you thought I wouldn't find out? You have forgotten I'm an intelligence officer. Now listen. I will not repeat myself the second time. At the count of 3, I want that person or group of people to step out, or else I will lock all of you in the guard room and you will remain there forever. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
1, 2. You stole my money? Did you steal my money?
I don't collect the money. Sharp. Before Oga see. How they ask me that kind of question? How Oga go see me for this kind of thing?
Oga no see.
How you go see me now? What kind of thing? I don't know this guy.
Where the pouch now? Where the pouch?
Pouch quoi? How I go collect pouch? I leave that pouch there and I just collect small money. We go tell everybody. Let me go talk about that thing.
Give my wish.
Now I don't like this kind of thing. We go share the money for here.
We share for here now. We share give my share.
Wow.
Ahmed Farouk. Sir. Step aside. Agban Okon. Sir. Step aside. So the two of you had the guts to enter into my office, to steal my money in my office. I tell you something. In life, you don't always get what you want or what you desire. It is not everybody that bought the form into the academy will make it as an army. If you must make it as an army, discipline must be your watchword. The academy is not a place for thieves. The two of you are hereby dismissed with immediate effect from the academy. And go back to the hostel, pack your things, and leave the camp immediately.
Yes, sir.
Move it! Bastards! Now for you, Dandy.
Sir.
Step forward. To be a soldier, you must be disciplined. The academy is not for cowards. It's not for people like you. Yes. If you must be a soldier, you must uphold secret, even with your life. And you will not be a parrot. Dandy, Emmanuel, you are hereby dismissed from the academy with immediate effect. Obey the last order. Now go to the hostel, pack your things, and leave the academy immediately. Move it. And for the rest of you, like this. And as an example to all of you, any one of you that repeat the same thing that they have done will join them without hesitation. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Now dismiss.
Look at what being truthful and sincere has landed me. Huh? So my dream of becoming a military man has ended. It has ended. For saying the truth and for being sincere, I've been dismissed from the army. And if I had kept quiet about the issue, my conscience would have judged me. Yes. To hell with my conscience, to hell with truthfulness, to hell with sincerity, to hell with being good. And for those that think conscience is an open wound, think twice. Think twice. And that was how they dismissed me from the military camp. For saying the truth.
Imagine
For saying the truth, they dismissed me from the military.
Now, truth don't cry for this nation.
just like that. But that was too bad now. How do you just dismiss you just because you talk truth?
Oh. My mind is telling me something. Hey!
Number one.
Oh. The picture is now clearer. So now so it happened. Hey! Now I know the truth. Do you know what my mind just told me now? My mind just told me that Colonel OBDK, retired, was the one that sponsored my dismissal from the military. Yes! Out of jealousy. And do you know why I became jealous? Because I'm not an Osu like him.
Oh, so now you dey think what you think. I know him before now. Why you do that kind of thing?
Now I know the truth. No problem. I'm still dandy now. Is there no other dandy in this community? I'm still the one and only dandy, the Odogo of this community. If Colonel Obnike wants war, I will give him war. If Colonel Obnike wants war between the Osus who are the half-caste and the Amadis, we'll give them war. We'll let him know that the Amadis are the ones in charge of this community. This is our community. Yeah. They will remain our slaves forever. We go run all the outcasts. We go run them come up for this village. Let's tell me.
Who born them now? Tell boss say you know they see what they see.
Dandy.
You know they see am now.
Dandy Bossu, where you want me to start? Make you dey show.
They show. And DVD now, you don't know.
I dey now. Smart. You think you've been messing around in this village? They call you cornel, whatever be the game. Today is your last day. Your blood will shout today. Shoot him. Why do we show words? Shoot him again! What? It's no working, don't worry. What do that for now? What is the work? You can't jump that plane. I must slide this man.
They came to attack me, so I shot them in self-defense. It's allowed by the law.
Another assassination attempt.
They barely know who I am. My only concern is the trauma they put my daughter through. I mean, I believe me, she has never had that number of gunshots in her life. That's my only worry.
By the way, where were those vigilante group? Or would they say they didn't hear the gunshots?
Everybody, nothing to worry your head over. They can't harm me. I'm only worried about a civilian like you. Pray they don't remember you.
Uncle, I have no business with them now.
Do I have business with them? You don't need to have business with evildoers for them to remember to attack you.
It's their cup of tea. If they remember me, I will remember them.
Oh, yellow face. You know, sir, I too believe you. I believe say you go deliver. See all this story where they talk since I don't just understand. I take apple. What's your apple?
But I know they lie to you. I know they lie to you. Now they go carry you now. Eh? How can me go lie to you like this? As soon as that man house, the man will send us obi the house. As soon as they enter in room, as you enter there, see the man though. Open shot. To that girl will knock the man. I knock the man. I even knock him 4 times. Still not enter in body. If you know it, the man just enter, open him pillow, carry pistol. Tau. To that can follow. Oh boy, as I see the thing, the man immediately one raise me. Next available die, Kwama. Sharply, next available flight. Otherwise, if I forgot me down. No, I don't carry anything now. It's my I empty. I empty, Baba.
Una shoot him. The bullets don't enter.
The bullet don't enter. Let's say the man don't carry on combo full in body. What I go do? What I go do, Baba? My fault.
So, as we talk like this now, your 2 guys, they don't die.
Utilo.
Confirmed.
Utilo.
No, leave there alive.
Let me dey here now.
Hi. Yellowface, hear me very well, Hear me very well. You know, as you did so, Noli will be the evidence. As you did so now, you'll be evidence. So this stand where you stand so, for this my community, now go be your last standing for this community. As I dey talk so, you go turn your back, waka comot for this community. No ever come back here. Yellowface, if you come back to this community, na me go kill you myself.
Why?
Because you be evidence. You be evidence. I go kill you if I see you for this community. You never come back here again. You dey hear me? Allow me to move.
Baba, anything for your boy.
Don't worry, anything I go dey reach you through phone. No, they see face to face again.
You as tomorrow morning at the enter like now.
If you like, go Abuja. Come out for here now. Come out.
Buy one now. Buy one.
No come back here. No come back this community. Yes, Chairman. So far, so good, sir. Yes, I'm still at the site, but the workers, they just left. It went well. Everything is fine, sir. But Chairman, please, my money, don't forget to send it, sir. I trust you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, bro.
Yes. Come like this. Who they call bro? Eh? Do I look like an outcast like you? Why are you calling me bro?
I'm not a 6-legged Arab descendant like you either.
You crazy? You want to die?
I am neither afraid of you nor your gun.
Imadandi, not you never hear for this your life. Oh. Eh? See butterfly, they call itself bird. May I remind you, because of you, 2 of your people are dead now. Hope you are aware. You see, by the time I go settle down, remember you get your time. Wetin I go do you? You go look this sky, look God, ask God, say why He creates you. It's a promise.
Story for the gods. When I remember you, you will know that it is not by size.
I know that. I dey cry on behalf of you and your family. Because the day of the burial, nobody go even attend to cry. See this one. I make money. Babayoyo.
You know, at times I wonder what unity is. The Madandi is the head of the security or neighborhood watch, as you call it, and therefore lead by example.
Uncle, it is unity in diversity. Those people can never cease to be violent.
Then they must be very careful with us. Makano, Obinia, Osogaba. they must allow sleeping dogs lie. Otherwise,
there will never be peace in this village. The blood of Ugoma will tear this village into pieces. Everyone must have their share.
Agabakwa Wall. And this is an area I dance very well. I'll be excited. And I'm excited. This will happen. Agabuya.
Love. I am sorry, my love, but I'm always with you.
I miss you so dearly. My life is so empty without you.
In life, certain things are inevitable, but I'll always be there for you. Be careful. Dandy and his boys are not happy with you. Do not worry. I will always be there for you. I love you so much.
I love you more, my love. I can't live without you.
I am so happy with the progress of this meeting in uniting us so far.
Yes, praise God. I'm happy too. Everyone in this Ebelo kingdom is now living in peace and harmony. Yes. Hey! Yes. Hey. Well, Chairlady, thank you. Because we all have been praying for this unity. Yes. Because united will stand, divided will fall.
Yes. Can you say that with her?
United we stand, divided we fall.
Please, can you come up with it again?
United we stand, divided we fall.
I am as happy as you all. I want to do something remarkable in this Abuelu kingdom. We are all lagging behind. Things like hospital, good road, pipe-borne water, good school. I am tired of seeing our women suffering, going all the way to the city for antenatal. I want us to build hospital. One of the best hospitals in this kingdom.
Ijia, you have spoken well, Otro.
Yes.
That is a big, excellent idea. Very big one.
Hey. Hey. Oshora, I concur. Because this one is going to really help us in this school.
Yes.
We really need this help, but we need it too. Hey.
Since you all agree to the idea, we the executives will meet with our husbands.
Yes.
The association, the men association, as in the men's group.
Yes.
So that they can give us a line where we can build our hospital.
Wow.
I know I have spoken your mind, or have I not? Nine. We the United Ebuelu Women Association, we have decided to start a project to stamp the oneness and peaceful coexistence we enjoy in this village.
So?
We want to build a community hospital to reduce the pain of our expectant mothers. So we need a land to commence our projects.
Beatrice.
Sir?
Be wise. Even though we preach peace in this community, Osu is an Osu. Amadi, Amadi.
Nine. What are you insinuating? What does that have to do with our project? Is it going to stop our project?
Anyway, I appreciate the fact that you come to brief me about this project.
Okay.
Because you recognize the post I'm holding
Exactly.
as the chairman of the Egbelu Men's Association.
Exactly. You're right, Nai.
So, maybe when we get to our meeting place, whatever the discussions are, I will brief you back.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where's your mom?
She's not around, but she gave me the money to give to you.
She gave you the money?
Yes, sir.
All correct. Your mom is a very good woman. When she comes back, thank her for me.
Okay, sir.
And tell her that the vigilantes are always at your service.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
I'll see you later.
Right.
Hey, madam. Fellow elder, I called you because of the recent happenings in our community. Even though we preach peace and coexistence, we still have to acknowledge the fact that Osu is still an Osu and Amade Amade.
Oh, Ezioku Kekuru, we are behind you.
Beatrice was here yesterday to brief me about their intention to use that piece of land to erect a hospital project to alleviate the sufferings of their fellow women, most especially the expectant ones. And I told her that we shall be meeting, the main fellowship, we shall be meeting very soon. That whatever the outcome of the meetings are, I shall communicate back to her. And I thank God you are here.
That is a good idea. But we should trade with caution. If we give them a land belonging to the Amadis, we are cheated.
Bam.
We would have given them a community land, but all the community lands have been shared during the troubled time. So they have theirs and we have ours. What? There is a piece of land at Ofi. Yes, there's a piece of land. It was causing trouble between late Mazio Suji and Amadi Ofo. I convinced them to give the land to the women for their project. But make sure the documentation of the land is in your name and Beatrice's name. Adia Mama, if anything happens tomorrow, you can always claim it back to their bodies.
Nage Moge. Oh God. Oh God. Nice one.
Yeah, nice one.
say go down! Go down!
Don't shoot me, please. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Shoot am now, you don't give a people. Shoot am now.
Shoot this man now. What's the worry? Why they look me like that? Shoot am now. What's the worry you?
What happened to that guy? My love.
My love, you provoke me. Who said you committed murder? It was a self-defense. I thought you said my painful exit turned you to a sadist. A sadist does not pity his enemy. Imadandi sent those assassins to eliminate you. Brave up, for the task ahead is more demanding, risky and critical.
Imadandi. 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 Adamu kwa naka ekpe na nka. Igwe anyị na-agbakwa nsi n'ọbala. Izi afia onye mara ogolo. Olugo n'omume. Ị na-agba n'ọsọ.
No. This is not good. This is not good at all. I've tried once. I've tried twice, several times. So Cornel O cannot be harmed by bullets. Okay, understandable. Maybe while he was in the military, he did one or two to protect himself. But what about Ebube? Ebube of yesterday, wedging bullets. No. Nkadrama at all. This is not good. This is not good. I must get to the root of this. I must get to the root of this.
I never knew it has gotten to this point too.
But I told you some time ago that evildoers do not wait for you to have business with them before they attack you, didn't I?
Yes, sir.
If you're surrounded by enemies, you must safeguard your life always. And that's why I wanted you to join the army. But you refused.
Yes, Uncle. I refused because it has never been my dream.
Now, if we change, you go. It's time to be a man. Not just a man. Be a real man. If I go Jamila, Janambaka.
To my house. And I told her to calm down. That very soon we shall be having our monthly meeting. And whatsoever we resolve, I shall pass it across to them. I'm also aware that some of us here have had the kepu. My wife's at home.
It is a good project. But the issue here is that we don't have a general community land anymore. What we have now is either Umuosu community land or Umuamadi community land. So that is the problem.
That is the matter before us.
Yeah. The project of our women is a vital one, which must never be overlooked.
I agree with you. It's a vital project that will foster peaceful coexistence in our land. So I suggest we buy the women a piece of land to commence their project immediately.
I don't think it's a wise decision to buy them a land. And we don't have any general community lands. I suggest we give them that land at Ofia E that was causing problem between late Mazi Osuji and Mazi Ezejiofo.
Let me tell you, for peace and unity to reign in this our community, I hereby surrender that land for the women to do that project.
Mazi Amajiofo, you are not and have never been the rightful owner of that land. That land belongs to my brother, my late brother. That wasn't if you're not the rightful owner of that land.
At this juncture, we are going to vote.
Yes.
And majority will have their way. Those that are in support, that our women should make use of that land for their project, can you raise up your hands and let's count? 1, 2, 3, 4, including myself, 5.
Oh.
And those that are against, that our women should go and look for money in this hardship, in these troubled times that we find ourselves in now, to buy a piece of land and build a project. Can you please raise up your hand too and let us count? It is now clear that Ebube and his brother Obidike cannot be a clog on the wheel of our progress in this community. The majority has it. Bam! On that note, as the chairman of Elders Forum in Egbelu community, our women should now go back and continue their project. Kwenu!
Yeah.
Kwenu!
Yeah.
Kwezuonu!
Yeah.
Let us say the kwokwe.
My dad is coming.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
At the elders meeting, I told them that I will only support it if you give your consent for the land at Ofi to be used for the project the women are embarking on. They said they didn't want to buy a piece of land and put it to vote. And they outvoted me. It was a civilian coup. Well, it was a majority decision.
Majority, my foot. That will be over my dead body. I'll fight them with the last drop of my blood.
Well, take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Calm down.
How can I take it easy, Uncle? I lost to Goma, my love, because of this Umosu and Amadi crisis. Now, I should also lose my father's plot of land for the resolution of the same issue. Am I the man that gave birth to the 2 children from whom Osu and Amadi originated?
It's a very complicated issue.
I can only allow them on one condition.
Which is?
That every documentation will be in my name, so that if the reason for the project stops, I will retrieve my plot of land.
Do you think they will agree to such an agreement or resolution? It's not a communal land or property. They will not. What more when the women want to sign it by themselves?
Then they should forget about that piece of land, because I don't even want to mingle with anyone from Uma Amadi, because they only cause me pain.
My fellow women, just like I earlier said, the men have given us the land at you. So we can go there and commence with our project.
Not while I still taking oxygen and take out carbon dioxide.
Hey! What does that mean? How dare you? How dare you stand here to challenge us?
For your information, the land in question is my father's land. And nobody will do anything in that land unless every documentation is on my name. So that if the project ceases to continue, the land will return to me.
I'll say, everybody, look at me, eyeball to eyeball. You have no business with us. Yes. Go to the men and sort it out with them. Yes. Besides, they're the one that gave us that land. Yes. And they'll know who the real owner is. Yes.
Stop stressing yourself. You spoken well. Thank you. Ebube, you heard her. Okay. You have no business with us. Go to the elders and sort it out with them. Go and get yourself out of this place. Leave us alone.
Thank you.
Unless it was Remark and the Christian mother.
I have heard what you said. We have no business with each other.
Yes.
It's okay. Manolugo kwa no rumume. Olugo no mume. Are
you threatening us?
Who die inside the land?
Useless boy.
Can you imagine this small rat?
Can you imagine?
Coming to challenge the women.
The woman leader. What kind of insult?
Everybody, you have been summoned by the elders of Egbelu. Please follow us.
Nobody can move me out of this compound. Not even you. Nor you.
Everybody, Do you know that anytime you talk, or anytime something comes out of that your mouth, I feel like vomiting? Yes. But I don't blame you. Why? Because I'm a leader. There is a way I think as a leader. You're not a leader, so you are daft. And all your life, you have never been a leader. Look, I'm just taking it easy. Because as a good leader, leaders, they show respect. They show the way, they show the path. I'm just being respectful because of the elders that sent me here. I'm just being peaceful. So please, you know that on a very good day, if I get angry, I will swallow you. Don't make me do that. Just follow us gently.
One no broken by size. Or broken by vibration, more past maga, or by if no mother in me. But because I have respect for my elders, I will not disregard them. I'll follow you to the meeting.
I love what you just said. You have respect for the elders, right? Yes. I'm also an elder, so follow your elder. This way. Also. Yeah. You lock door like say get it, they go thief. Huh? Please move. What gave Ebube the effrontery to embarrass our women in their meeting today?
Well, it is not proper to judge from one side, but it is proper. We hear from him. He is our son. Can you look around there?
I've sent for him already.
Well, let's wait for the arrival. He may have his reasons.
Move. Right here. Welcome, my son. What transpired between you and our women in the meeting today?
No, nothing serious. I only went there to tell them not to do anything on the land at Ofi. But they told me I'm not supposed to come to them. I should come to the men. And I took the correction and left. That's all.
Are you aware we have unanimously gave out that land to them for the project in Egwelu community?
Yes, but no one has such right because it is not a community land.
Who owns the land?
My father, late Mazi Osuji.
You little boy. It is my land. If I ever see your foot in that land, among the 30 year for 10.
You see why we gave that land out to the women? We gave it out for peace and restoration of unity in Egwelu community.
That can only happen if all the documentation will be in my name. So that if the reason for the land no longer continues, it will come back to me.
As much as I have respect for our elders, when you're going to our family, let me sound that as another warning here. We're not stupid. Reason must prevail. And I don't want it to be seen that I'm using my position as a retired soldier to threaten our community.
It is a collective decision. Amadiopo has accepted. So you have to follow suit. For peace to reign in our land.
It is either I succeed or I die.
You are dead already. You don't already die. Thank God say that is your mouth talk out. You will don't go. Eh?
What's the worry this one?
In front of our elders, like they talk this rubbish.
Go.
My love, you have become a thorn on their flesh. You are now an arch enemy to all.
My love, I know that your blood will tear this kingdom apart. There will never be unity nor peaceful coexistence in this village anymore.
You have to fortify yourself. They all want you dead now.
I better die than to live and see them living in peace.
Anyone who enters into a battlefield unprepared doesn't live to tell the story. You need to go and see Abog. He will fortify you.
Ugom, where can I find Abogidi?
Do not worry. I will lead you. I will be with you.
Abogidi.
Azimofo kanje jemba, ajinumofo. Afonje jemba kanje namba, ajinumofo. Afonje namba kanje namba, ajinumofo. Afonje joru kanje jibo, ajinumofo. Azimofonje joru kanje nebo, ajinumofo. De tiaba, etizinaba. Nukum mwade tiaba, etizinaba. Maganukum mwade tiaba, etizinaba. Nukum mwade tiaba, etizinaba. Utibu anyinyade tiaba, etizinaba. Who owns that strange voice? Who owns that voice? What do you want? What can I do for you? Your song has touched my innermost being. I am the great Abogiri, the harmless Dibia of Umokrika kingdom, the Dibia of our ancient time, the Dibia that harms the harmful and harms not the harmless. Your song has touched my soul.
I am Ugoma, a sacrificial victim of love.
Hey, I know you too well, Ugoma. Your departure from this earth plane triggered problems. Your death caused anger for the gods. Your death provoked the ancestors. Even the living and the dead are touched by your death. But never mind. Never mind. For the distance between the sky and the rainbow is same as the distance between the hunter's gun and his elbow. I will fortify Bubedike for you. But cry no more. Shut up. Be courageous. Cry no more. For whatever that comes to any human being on this earth plane must have been assigned to that person's destiny.
Thank you so much, Naya Bogidi. You've made my day.
maka ojiji mmụnwa dịka ụna etizi n'aba ogodo kama okwu benyori iyo etizi n'aba aga nnukwu mmụnwa dị eti aba etizi n'aba azị m otigbu anyịnya dị eti aba etizi n'aba nnukwu mmụnwa dị eti aba n'isi ha bụ n'ọnụ n'isi nwere nke ka ibe ihe ndị mbụ ndị egede ndị eji eje mba na ndị eji eje mba ndị na-emere na ndị na-emere anyị ihe ọfọkwa onye na-anụ ụbọchị na-anụ eke n'ori afọ nkwọ akọrọ mgbe ihe eji abụ ọgarasị ka na ọka ya a mgbe ya gwụrụ anụ ehi okwe ekpụrụ ya ọgwụ okpu nwa mgbe niile aja agba na anaghị ebu ụzọ gbaa n'elu ọ bụrụ ihe wetara aja akụ na anaghị ebu ụzọ gozie elu o ji akwụnye nchikanta na nche na-adịrọkwa n'elu oleje ogere mgbe tukpo na mletichakwa na n'ọma ụsọ elu ihe eji amadị gị bụ ihe siri ike
Look up.
Nebubedika 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 Jọdụ n'ihu ị na-azụ ọdụ n'azụ ị na-ezi ihu n'ije ejiri obodo nọrọ obodo ka ga amụ na amachiji amụ na oke nwoke emena oke nwaanyị emena n'ije eke ike na-eke n'ije eke n'ore n'ije eke na afọ ke na nkwọ onye asị na-ejide ihe abụ n'ọrụ na ọtụrụ asị agadisi nwere nke ka ibe ya etie ya ka o ji emesi ka isi orie isi azụ ka azụ orie azụ agwụkọ agwọ na agwọ ma nwere ekwe na akwụ nọrọ ibe na ọdụ ya pụtara ya n'ọnụ ọ sị ka akụziri nwata akwa na apana ya kụzigara ya kụzigara na agwọ dị ka apana apana dị ka agwọ aka nji ebe n'ihe ji mụrụ agwọ etu na agwọ na aha n'ihe ji mụrụ agwọ etu na agwọ na aha na agwọ nwere ike igosi na osi nwere ike ike agwọ n'ije ọkụ ji abịa ike dị ya n'ọnụ ihe dịka ji abịa ike dị ya n'ike nga onye nebe ma nọ nọsị na nkwugburu onwe m na kwesị na nkwugburu onwe na okwe mara egburu onwe na ntị ka ama na egwuregwu duru dị bedrof ka bụrụ amaghị ihe eti n'aka na mmọnwụ eti n'aka na ọ bụ mmụọ eti n'aka na mmọnwụ eti n'aka na ọ bụ mmụọ eti n'aka na mmọnwụ eti n'aka na ọ bụ mmụọ eti n'aka na mmọnwụ onye si ya na ọ bụ mmụọ esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ esi ya na ọ bụ mmụọ esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ agwa ofe ka esi ya na ọ bụ mmụọ esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ esi ya na ọ bụ mmụọ esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ ijebe ejebe ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ ịnaba anaba ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ mgbazi iburu aka ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ abịa na orie ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ ọbịa na afọ na ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ ọsị ma abịa na nkwọ na ibudo ike esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ akara bụcha ọnụ ya tinye ukwe esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ akara bụcha ọnụ ya tinye ukwe esi ya akwa na mmọnwụ John nyati nyugo esi yakona mu. Klabu John nyati nyugo esi yakona mu. Esi yana no bumu, esi yakona mu. Ofegesi yana no bumu, eti nagana mu. Odegweti nagana bumu, eti nagana mu. Asimati nagana bumu, eti nagana mu. Eti nagana bumu, eti nagana mu. Etinagana bumu, etinagana mu. Etinagana bumu, etinagana mu. Etinagana bumu, etinagana mu.
Look up. Stretch your hands. Rise.
Asin isi ni se habu na manisi unanka kibe ya. Osisi ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi o. Onike ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi, onike na-ebe. Onike ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi. Ayi. Onike na-ebe. Onike ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi.
It is done. It is done. You are now fortified. Spiritually, psychically, sanctified, fortified, strengthened, guided, protected, and equally blessed. The gods of this land, the ancestors are behind you, before you, by your left, by your right at all times. No mortal challenges you. No mortal challenges you and lives to tell the story.
Obago malo. Iziafe abonye malo ogolo. Igbo funanya okwe. Naya bobidi. Thank you so much. I will forever remain grateful.
Thank the gods. But 1 minute. For the fact that you are fighting a just cause. Nothing will happen to you. Nothing. Your Odeshi has no antidote.
You will hear from me, Naya Bogidi.
Go get him his clothes.
Onike ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi o. Onike ebu na ngwu n'oboke osisi o.
You won't know they use your head. You got to see yourself. Like you pull it.
Wait, what are you doing on my father's land? I say, what are you doing on my father's land?
Oga, what you concern with this land? Oga, you don't come on here now.
Come! You will butcher me.
Who you be now?
See this man wire.
He said,
do you really know who you are talking to?
who are you? I swear if you come here, I will cut you to the wire, sir. Maybe you give us this work, oh.
If I catch the two of you, I swear, I'm going to do the bam.
Oh, you're near here. I am near this side now.
I should be here. Today,
naked
you
wire.
know that you are
I'm
jamming naked wire.
You
want to know what the wicked was? Wait. You know what the wicked was? Will you take your hands off? Get up on my head. Get up on my head.
I don't see a man. Hey, what is it?
Man, kill you there. I am not a lover boy. Will you get out of my company? Come on, get out of my company. Anwar here. They've sent you to come and seduce me, eh? Ugoma is my first and only love. I will never allow any other woman into my life. Idiot.
Ebube! Ebube!
Uncle, good afternoon.
If that's what it is, your father. This is totally unacceptable. Why would you take the laws into your own hands?
Oh, Uncle, I never took the laws into my hands.
Then what did you do?
They tried to enter my land. They tried to prevent me. They fought me and I fought back, harmlessly in self-defense. I never wanted to waste their life because I know the law. But they failed to understand.
They said you attacked them with a gun.
I will be degrading myself if I attack them with arms because they are too little for me to attack with arms. Only me were daddy.
Okay.
If you're not a shame, and a shame for all of that. Yes, and a shame for now. See them. See vigilantes. See vigilantes. So if they say vigilantes, raise hand. All of you here go raise hand. See vigilantes, we're supposed to protect people. See them. So if armed robbers now enter this community, or bad people enter this community, come fight our people, how I want to defend them? More than tell me how I want to defend them. When it's only one person. One person, they will be overpower all of you now. Even with your guns. And a shame.
Commander. Egwu na kwa kwala na egwu mmadu. Ihe akwa egwu soro ke egwu mmaka na agbana. Ebube we will know before, no ebube we can't tell.
You're a very stupid boy. Sky, you're a very, very stupid boy. If not for one thing, I'll for shoot you here. I swear I go shoot you and nothing will happen. No, Ebube na a robot. Now you go tell me about Ebube. Oh, now you go tell me about Ebube. But I don't blame you. I don't blame you now. Baba, you are blamed. Baba, you disappoint me. If all these on yourself don't even get level, I don't mind. But you particularly, Baba Yoyo, you disappoint me finish. You disappoint me. You of all people.
Number one, you yourself know now. You don't just carry give me number two as nothing. Eh? That Ebube what would they talk about? Not the human being would they talk about now. Say, that guy don't pass what would they think. See, what's it be like this now? Eh? More find one better native doctor. Make cut full our body. If possible, say, more go worry. Yes. Go out beside Juju, they will cut full our body. Fortify us very well.
Commander, may I support waiting this guy they talk or waiting about.
Shut up, my friend, shut up. Shut up. You will never keep foul. So this guy waste money on you to make a cut to your body. Choma, calm down, eh? If I tell you everything we explain, give me before, say I hear him. Now lie, they lie. So I want you calm down now. Take your time, explain well. What you talk say happen when you reach Ebube house? What happen?
Ebube is a monster. He doesn't have feelings for women. At all. He even told me that he's a masquerade self. Ebube is no longer a human being. Ebube is no longer a human being at all.
Eh?
Yes.
Ebube no be human being again.
At all.
If I don't come out direct, just tell me say na spirit I say you go meet now. Eh? Ebube no be human being. Say this one go talk rubbish. Say that one go talk rubbish. You all are confusing me. What is going on here? He does not have feeling for women. Now gay? Is he gay? That aside, I have never seen him with anyone. He does not have any friend, and that's the reason why he sent you there to go and investigate for me. So that people get close to him. I go first start with them before you know what go happen to him. You came back telling me rubbish that his spirit or what they talk.
He even told me that he's a sadist. He told me that he's a sadist. I don't know what to do again. No.
He told you that?
Yes, now he's a sadist.
He told you he's a sadist?
Yes.
He said that? That one good. You should understand this game. Because I don't do this game a long time. You see, failure has excuses. You understand? Like you now, Choma, you're a failure. And when failure fails, failure looks for something to lay hands on. In order for them not to discover that failure fails. You failed, and I know that. You know what? Leave my house.
Leave which house? I want my balance now.
You said what?
I said I no feel live here. I need my balance.
I go balance you before you collect your balance. God, they punish you, they mad. Because I don't tell you, say, me reform my money. Once you deliver away, they collect balance. Leave here, my friend.
I need my balance now.
Oh, you want me to balance you? You don't say no go tell me how. See person collect balance. See am. After I go say me carry go Lagos, go city, go hustle. Under village boy, no fit deliver. Go the best say me carry go city. Fair wire, fair jump. Well, wait, what is going on? What is really going on? Ebube. Ebube.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Hello, am I on to one Ebube?
Yes. And who am I on to, please? DP of Egbe Central Police Station? Okay. What can I do for you, sir? Me? Wanted at the police station? When? I hope there's no problem, sir. Okay, no problem. I'll be there in a jiffy. So these people had the effrontery, the temerity, the guts to report me to the police. There's no problem. Olugo no mumo yaba also. Ma ba hante. Ma pia hezugbo talimmo. Ma ba hose. How Olugo do no.
So why didn't you call me when they came to arrest you?
I thought I was alone in all this.
You're not alone. Look, I know what transpired the day we went to do the introductory rites of Ugoma. Huh? Now they're calling for peace and unity with hidden colors under it.
Now I understand that you're seeing things from my angle.
Well, now they want the matter in court. I'll pull all my contacts and make sure victory is ours.
Thank you so much, Uncle. I appreciate.
You don't need to thank me. Just be on the right side always. And let me tell you, Olugo no mume, kunyaba konosa.
Fellow elders, as I'm talking with you now, our women have been ordered to stop their good work on that land by this irresponsible son of us, Ebube.
Amadiwu, no, if you have any reasonable information, pass it to us. But I will not sit here and listen to you insult my brother's son. It is not right.
Obidike, are you aware I am the elders chairman in this community?
Amadiwu, are you aware that I'm a retired colonel of the Nigerian army? That I served for 35 years. Are you aware?
You should talk to me with respect.
I served for 35 years. If you want to speak, talk like an elder, not like Onyenguno. Talk from your head as a wise man. White hair is not a reflection of wisdom. You must speak like an elder. No, I will not. Don't tell me to come down. This is other nonsense.
Allow him. That is how they've been behaving in this community.
Allow him, let him go.
Him and his so-called brother. That's how they've been behaving.
I said, let him go. Let us continue in peace.
As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, there is no more work going on that side. The matter has been taken to court till a court passes its judgment. Ebube has been excommunicated. Anyone found mingling with him in this community shall be blamed and will have nothing to do with us anymore.
Get it
now. Have I spoken your mind?
Hey!
Haters of Ebelu Kwenu.
Yeah.
Mon.
Yeah.
Mekano.
Yeah.
I left them at the meeting and I've decided I will never go there again.
I even had they excommunicated me, and I even willing to excommunicate anyone that mingles with me.
Idiots. Do they know the gravity of what they're doing?
I'm not even moved a bit. I will avenge the death of Ugoma as long as I live.
For the meantime, I'll send 2 of my men to you. Don't go anywhere without them. Don't touch the gun. You can fight with your hands if need be, but don't touch the gun.
I understand.
They will arrive at your house this evening. As I said, do not go anywhere without them. Make them your friend or companion so that they will guide you.
Thank you so much, Uncle. You've always been my pillar of support.
My fellow women, since the matter has been taken to customary court, there will be no more work in the site. Just like our men said, Ebube has been excommunicated. Yeah. And anyone found mingling with him will be excommunicated. Hey. So as an individual of Ebelu, it is left for you to choose between Ebube and United Ebelu.
I don't know why some people are enemies of progress. Yes, can you imagine? That Ebube of a boy is evil.
Now that we are enjoying peaceful coexistence, he wants to exclude himself.
I'm screwed now. Thank you. Now.
Well done, sir. You have done well. Please. I will not tell anybody this. Bring it out.
Listen.
Bring it out!
Well, it's all in the interest of justice. Before a judge rules on a matter, you must hear all sides, have proof, have evidence. So it's all good.
Well, I just hope so.
Don't worry, my boy. Everything will be okay.
Mazi Amadiofo, so you fearlessly entered my compound, the compound of Ebube, the naked wire, to bury charms. Today, I will kill you.
Please, don't kill me. Whether you kill me or not, I know I will definitely die. Sorry.
Make sure no one sees this. If anyone sees it, you will die after 3 market days. Be careful.
Akuma.
Oh God.
I always be careful and forever be.
Good. Go well.
Thank you. I'll confess. Yes, I am the one responsible of your parents' death.
Bury this charm in front of his compound. Call his name 3 times. He will never return back to that compound alive again. And make sure no eye sees you while burying the charm. Else, it will boomerang and you will never leave to tell how it happened. Make sure nobody sees you, and as you are going, go with your cap on your head, red cap. Go.
Okay. Honor. Osuji, this night you will die. This night, Osuji, you will die. Yes, let me know. Mbenabo, get working.
What? You mean you killed my parents and siblings?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I would have killed you myself. That would have made me so happy. But since you've taken your own life, I will let you go. Because the evil that men do lives with them. You now, take him out of here.
Get up! Put it up, come on! Move this man out of here! Bring it! Bring it! Move it! What? Just...
Why do I thought of killing you? In fact, you are truly a naked wire.
My chest.
And what are you people doing in my father's compound?
Ebube, we are here to collect your EDC levy.
Now I know that you people are the most stupid people that exist. Eh? I am Ebube, the naked wire. The one you and your people excommunicated. Now you are in my compound to collect money. Can you listen to yourself?
Scar, disconnect all the wires in this house.
Anyone that touches any wire in this compound will jam naked wire.
What is going on here?
Will you take yourselves out of this compound before I take you out of the land of the living?
What are you people doing here?
Knuckle.
EDC. NEPA workers. No, come and collect money now. You excommunicated me. You still want to come and collect money from somebody you excommunicated. How sensible are you? Nonsense people. Let me see you people here again. Yalla.
Good day, Colonel.
Good day, sir.
That's good then. What are you here for?
Sir, we are here to collect your EEDC levy.
Where is Imadandi? He wouldn't set a foot in my premises. So he sent you to come and die. Right? All right. I'm coming to give you your levy.
He said we will die.
He go pay.
He go pay now.
We don't come, we don't come here.
Forward!
Why are you running? Why are you running? It's not that you want to collect?
What is happening? Another python dance. Another python dance.
Didn't you hear the sound of the gunshot?
Come, let's go. I don't know what this village is telling me to come.
Tell him, Andy, I'm looking out for him.
Dad, what's going on? I had a gunshot.
That's okay. Go back inside.
Dad.
Go back inside.
Number one, Commander. Commander, what's in the salt now? What be you again, no? Huh? See that man light for air. Why be so we supposed to light give am back? You see man no light? And no be so we no carry gun. Commander, what's in the salt now?
See, I want all of you to listen. Listen to me, all of you. I did not make myself a leader. God made me a leader. And the God that made me a leader have his reasons. Look, I can never ever think like you people. That is why I am a leader. You understand? I want you all to remember one saying that goes like this. He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day.
But for don't light one, give
Shut up and they talk to you.
Sorry, boss.
He may be retired, but once a colonel, always a colonel. Like say I give you a command, say, oh yeah, as this man not dey shoot for up so, no una fire. No be this one will talk so now. He no go take 5 minutes. Soldiers go take over this whole community. Both person don't know about Tamo and person don't know about what happen, they go pack everybody. No!
True.
Una no dey get the picture. This man get game plan. Colonel OBDK retired. Get game plan. He want to play into his game. Because at the end of the day, if we that's a plan, if we enter him, whatever he tells people, they will believe him because he's a retired colonel. They don't call the whether they first shoot or I be no invest shoot by that time. All these things have sense. Eh? Now make me talk to make nobody do anything, say will come out there. But problem no day. There's no problem. Remember I have a meeting tomorrow with Mazi Amadiugu. I will go to the elder. I will tell him everything that happened. From there we proceed. They will know our next line of action. But for now, I beg you now for now, that event will happen, make all of them forget them. Now they hear me? More they go.
Commander, I'm hungry. Commander.
What did they worry you? What did they worry you, Chris? What did they worry you now?
I'm hungry now.
I was about sending for you. The kind of gunshot I had yesterday in this community, I've never had such since I was born. Mazi, it was a terrible experience. It was a very, very terrible experience. See, if not for my leadership, if not for my leadership smartness and qualities, by now, this whole village would have been on fire. Yes. Is it not that stupid man that calls himself retired Colonel OBDK? Now, let me explain what happened to you, Mazi. My boys and I went to meet Ebube to collect the EEDC levy as directed by the elders of the community. He insisted that he wasn't going to pay because he has been excommunicated from this village. I persisted, but he insisted on the fact that he has been excommunicated, as if that wasn't enough. As if that wasn't enough, Mazi. We went to OBDK's house to do the same. And before I knew it, he went into his room, brought out the gun and started shooting. Mazi, it was terrible. If not for my smartness, my leadership quality, and the way I think, by now, there would have been bloodshed all over, everywhere. You know, I told my boss that we should retreat. I didn't want to kill him. OBDK is too small for me to kill. I didn't want to kill OBDK. But I know it's about after killing him, the people will now say, why did you kill him? Why did you kill him? Yeah. That the vigilantes are doing bad job. What? Yes, sir. Anyway, we'll be having a meeting by coming 4 days. I will send for you the moment I'm back.
No problem.
Mazi, no problem. Noted. Noted. Mazi, one more thing. Myself and my boys, we are running out of bullets. So I would so much appreciate it if you can tell the villagers, the elders, and everyone to contribute money. So after contributing, you now give the money to me, so I can use it to acquire more bullets. Because from the look of things now in this village, delay is dangerous. There might be war, so we need to prepare. That's why I'm saying this. Okay.
In that case, I've heard what you said.
Okay,
I will get back to you.
I beg to take my leave now. Baba.
People will not stop amazing me. Imagine coming to collect levy from a people you say you have excommunicated.
Uncle, I wonder.
Anyway, I will wipe off all of them.
They are really biting more than they can chew.
Leave that to me.
No, Uncle. This is our fight. I am now a naked warrior.
You are not. Leave that to me. You cannot take the laws into your hands.
Obidike and Ebube are now thorns on our flesh. How can we be paying for EEDC light and these people are enjoying the light free of charge without paying a dime?
This is a cheating of the highest dimension.
We can't take such. Never.
The wire should be disconnected.
And it should be done in their absence.
Maybe we shall see them in court, in the court sitting.
I think I support that.
Yeah.
I support that.
On that note, we shall cut their light. And whatever is the consequences, we shall bear it together with them.
Yes. We are strongly behind them.
Finally.
We are in it together.
Yes.
Finally. On the day of the court ruling, every one of us here must be present in that court.
Bam, bam.
Tomorrow is the last sitting in court. And all of you must be in court.
Yes.
Wow. Every one of you must be in court.
It is very, very vital. And we must triumph. Wow.
Organism. The collective team. All of us must not exclude ourselves.
Listen, if you are not one of no fights, rush now, and subscribe.